Good morning, students. Hope you understand the concept of maintenance management and why it is important. Now, for maintenance management, to understand it, what type of maintenance is needed, why your machine has breakdown, we have a failure analysis. To make a better maintenance planning and control, it is important to know about the nature and occurrence of the failure in the lifetime of the equipment. There is a Weibull distribution graph, which is also known as a bathtub curve, who tell at what time the frequency of failure in the equipment is high and what are the reasons associated with that. See this. Um, See this graph. This is the shape you see is just like a bathtub. That's why this is known as a bathtub curve. Here this is the first stage, that is called your red mark with early life. Failure rate here in the early life of the machine. This is also known as a warranty phase or initial use failure. Then this, which is marked with blue, this is a wear out life, which is also called a aging phase, and failure rate is increased in this particular stage of the machine life. And this is the useful life of your machine, where the failure rate is less. Now, आपने देखा ये कर्व आपका डाउन जा रहा है, तो आपने देखा वारंटी फेज हमें मिलता है स्टार्टिंग में किसी भी मशीन या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट को यूज़ करने में. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर समय अगर ब्रेक डाउन होता है तो उसके रीजंस क्या है? बिकॉज ऑफ द वारंटी, उसकी इनहेरेंट डिज़ाइनिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उस समय मेंटेनेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है. एंड अगर एजिंग फेज में हो रहा है बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो चुकी है, बिकॉज ऑफ वेयर एंड टेयर, दैट्स वाई फेलियर रेट इज़ हाई. एंड अगर यूज़फुल लाइफ में, जो उसकी यूज़फुल लाइफ होती है उस समय आप देख रहे हैं फेलियर रेट कम होता है. और स्टिल इफ़ द फेलियर रेट इज़ हाई इन दिस life stage of the machine, then that is a matter of concern. Clear? In warranty phase, high failure rate in its initial phase because of the poor design or poor installation. अगर मशीन को ही आपने पुअर तरीके से डिज़ाइन हुआ या उसकी इनहेरेंट ही कोई दिक्कत है तभी आपकी मशीनरी में फेलियर आएगा. ठीक है, ये इंस्टॉलेशन गलत हो, इट शोज दैट अ फेलियर विच इज़ इनहेरेंट इन इट. So that is nothing to do with the maintenance department. It is not a fault of maintenance department then. Then aging phase. Aging phase means it is called a infant mortality age. Because of wear and tear, maybe failure or total death of the machine is there, and come maybe later or early. ये आपकी मेंटेनेंस पे डिपेंड करता है कि जल्दी आ जाए ये एज या बाद में आए. ठीक है, एंड दिस मेक अ बेल शेप कर्व और नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैटर्न. फाइन. नाउ इन टू एक्सट्रीम्स, ये टू एक्सट्रीम्स है हमारी कर्व की, इसके बीच में जो स्टेज है दैट इज़ अ यूजफुल लाइफ स्टेज. नाउ बिटवीन दीज टू एक्सट्रीम इक्विपमेंट मे बी फेल, मे बी फेल. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि फेल हो, और अगर फेल नहीं हो रहा तो इट मीन्स योर मेंटेनेंस डिपार्टमेंट वर्क वेरी वेल. एंड रीज़न इज़ नॉट अ इनहेरेंट डिज़ाइन. अगर ये फेल होता है तो उसमें इनहेरेंट डिज़ाइन रीज़न नहीं है, इंस्टॉलेशन या एजिंग वेयर आउट उसका कोई रीज़न नहीं है. ड्यू टू एक्सटर्नल टू इक्विपमेंट, कोई भी रीज़न जो इंटरनल नहीं है, एक्सटर्नल टू इक्विपमेंट है, वही रीज़न है जिसकी वजह से इस स्टेज में आपके फेलियर होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. ठीक है, इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंट बाय नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंशियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, आपका जो फेलियर हो रहा है उसको हम नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंशियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर्व की बेसिस में बताते हैं. और यहाँ पर जो फेलियर हो रहा है दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द मेंटेनेंस डिपार्टमेंट, कि मेंटेनेंस डिपार्टमेंट ने अच्छी तरीके से काम नहीं किया है, आपकी मशीन की टेक केयर नहीं की है, दैट्स वाई द मशीन इज़ ब्रेक डाउन. फाइन. तो आप किस समय किस रीज़न की वजह से मशीन ब्रेक डाउन हो रही है, यू कैन ईजिली एनालाइज विद द फेलियर एनालिसिस कर्व. Now, this graph is helpful to compute mean time between failure and indicates system reliability, availability and anticipated life also. If recurrent failure, it means no maintenance. अगर बार बार हो रहा है तो it means maintenance नहीं है या maintenance appropriate नहीं है. To maintenance ensure you the availability and reliability of your equipment, and we can calculate availability of the equipment with the help of this formula. T up means कितने टाइम के लिए मशीन जो है आपकी नॉर्मल वर्किंग कंडीशन में ऑपरेशन के लिए अवेलेबल थी, और टी डाउन का मतलब कितने टाइम के लिए मशीन आपकी ख़राब रही. तो इट मीन्स टोटल अप एंड टोटल डाउन टाइम इज़ टोटल टाइम अवेलेबल, एंड टी अप मीन्स टोटल टाइम अवेलेबल ऑफ मशीन फॉर वर्किंग पर्पस. Clear? So this will help you to identify the availability of the machine, and if it is 100, that means your maintenance department work very well, machine is going very well. Okay. Next, area of maintenance. कहाँ कहाँ आपको मेंटेनेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है? What are the basic areas? We are classifying the area of maintenance in 3 parts. One is your civil maintenance, then mechanical maintenance, and then electrical maintenance. Civil maintenance cover building construction and maintenance, your steam, compressor, air, fire fighting equipments, and such type of facilities come under civil maintenance. Then mechanical maintenance. In mechanical maintenance, it covers a machine and its equipment, your transport vehicle, your material handling equipment. Lubricating the machine is also a part of your mechanical maintenance work. Then electrical maintenance. Electrical maintenance cover a generator, transformer or telephone system, etc. So these are the classification of your area of maintenance. Civil, mechanical. Civil covers your building and etc. Mechanical covers your machines, electrical cover your electric equipments. Now maintenance strategy and types of maintenance. Maintenance strategy, we have a following types of strategy that we can adopt. One is your corrective or breakdown maintenance, or you can say repair maintenance. Then we have a preventive maintenance, then predictive maintenance, then routine maintenance, and then planned maintenance. And these 3 maintenance, predictive, routine and planned, come under preventive maintenance also. So you can broadly classify into 2, corrective maintenance and preventive maintenance. Okay. Now one by one, the corrective maintenance or breakdown maintenance. Corrective or breakdown maintenance means once your machine is breakdown, now in order to make them in a working condition, you are repairing that particular machine. Okay, breakdown maintenance involves little administrative work, few records and comparatively small staff we required under this, and the process of rectifying is involved notification of such condition by production department to maintenance department कि आपकी कोई मशीन ख़राब हुई है तो you have to send the notification. Then maintenance department check into difficulties and make it necessary repair, and after removing all the fault, maintenance department does not attend the equipment again until another failure or breakdown occur. And this type of maintenance is quite justified in a small factories where no effect of frequent breakdown occur. Scheduling is flexible enough to handle such breakdowns. जहाँ breakdowns होने से हमें ज़्यादा नुकसान ना हो, इससे कि जो हमारा बिजनेस होता है वहाँ पर आप प्रिवेंट ये करेक्टिव मेंटेनेंस कर सकते हैं. एंड इक्विपमेंट मेंटेनेंस आर सच whose downtime and repair costs are very very less as compared to other type of maintenance. There we can use a corrective or breakdown maintenance. Now causes of breakdown maintenance. So basically your equipment are breakdown or because of failure to replace a wear out part. आपका कोई पार्ट है जो वे आउट हो रहा है या ढीला हो रहा है या उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आपने उसे रिपेयर नहीं किया एट दैट टाइम, और लैक ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट, neglected cooling system, indifference toward the minor fault, external factors such as too low or too high line voltage, wrong fuel may be the reason for this. and equipment vibration, unusual sound coming out when you are operating your machine. It is get too much heat up, means if you are not taking care of equipment in a proper way, उसकी जो sound या indications है आप उसको notice नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो maybe because of that your equipment will break down. Now disadvantage of the breakdown. Breakdown generally occur in appropriate time, lead a poor or it affect your maintenance also. An excessive delay in your production, it reduce your output, and it also give a bad impact to your customer satisfaction. And faster plant deterioration was possible because of that. It increased the chance of your accident, safety issues can create, it spoil your material also, and it directly affect your the profit level. So breakdown maintenance cause of various serious issues. Then a preventive maintenance. A preventive maintenance means आप breakdown को wait नहीं कर रहे हैं. Before breakdown, you are taking any steps to make your machine in healthy conditions. A primary goal of preventive maintenance is to prevent the failure of equipment before it actually occur. Preventive maintenance activities include equipment check, partial or complete overhaul of the specific period, oil change, lubrication, so on. And in addition to that, worker can record equipment deterioration or so they know to replace or repair a worn out part before they cause system failure. कि किस तरीके से उसमें डिटोरिएशन हो रहा है, आप उसे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, तो आपको मालूम है कि कब मुझे कौन सा पार्ट चेंज करना है, एंड यू मेक इट बिफोर दैट, बिफोर इट कॉज एनी फेलियर, then it comes into the preventive maintenance. means आप prevention ले रहे हैं पहले से कि वो breakdown वाली condition आपकी cure हो सके. Recent technological advancement in a tool for inspection, diagnosis have enabled even more accurate and effective equipment maintenance. The IDA preventive maintenance program would prevent all equipment failure before it occurs. It locate weak spot like a bearing surface, part under excessive vibration, etc., of all machine equipment, and provide them regular inspection and minor repair to reduce the danger of unanticipated breakdown. Preventive maintenance is practiced in mostly all manufacturing companies to some extent, but is tailored as per the production and other requirement. The key of all preventive maintenance is inspection, and it follow the principle of prevention is better than cure. Now the objective of preventive maintenance. The basic objective of your preventive maintenance is to minimize the possibility of unanticipated production interruption, your major breakdown and all, to make a plant and equipment machinery always available and ready to use, to maintain the value of equipment machinery by periodic inspection, repair and overhaul, to maintain the optimum productive efficiency of plant, equipment and machinery, to maintain the operational accuracy of the plant equipment, to reduce work content of maintenance job, to achieve a maximum production at minimum repair cost, and to ensure safety of the life of the workman. We do a preventive maintenance. Now the advantage of preventive maintenance. As you learn the objective of maintenance management, these are the that are also as a you learn that as a advantage of the preventive maintenance. It helps to reduce your downtime of your machine, breakdown of the machine. It ensure a less odd time repair, reduce overtime of the crew also. It helps to ensure a greater safety of the worker. It helps to achieve lower maintenance and repair cost. It also helpful in a less standby equipment and spare part. The product quality is better and rework or scrap are fewer. if we do a preventive maintenance. It help in increasing a plant life also. It increase chance to get a production incentives, bonus, etc. So preventive maintenance is very important in an industry where a single breakdown cause or lead to a major cost. In next class, we will cover how preventive maintenance is carried out and other part of the preventive maintenance. Thank you for the day, students.